guys, I want to introduce myself. So my name is Kate. The full name is actually pretty long, but I'll say it. If you want to find me on Facebook, I'll be happy to be your friend. It's Virshki Yekaterina, and it's Yekaterina because I'm Russian. So I was born in Russia, raised in Kazakhstan, but I lived in China for the past decade. I'm traveling the world. I studied salsa actually in China, and right now I'm in the United States, in McAllen in Texas. This been crazy trip, amazing. So me basically sharing my love for salsa and bachata for dancing with you. I hope you get this, you find this videos very useful for you. No matter what you do, if you're a bachata lover, if you're salsa lover, there you go. Please follow me on the social media as Dance with Kate. You'll see my profile right there, Dance with Kate. On the Facebook, Virshki Yekaterina, and I hope to see you around the world. Lady styling, jazz hands. So now, this I use a lot in my bachata styling. Take a look. I want to make sure I'm opening all of my fingers right here. And it's all, I put some power in it, right? Not like this, put some power. Making sure you feel everything until, even your nails, right? So right here. Now when I'm styling, again, I'm using pumps. So right here, if let's say I go 1, 2, 3, 4, that's where you need your jazz hands. Or if I go right here, and then I bring it across the body like this, same thing, jazz hands with the pumps. So let's break it down. Whenever I go hit the hips, again, not like this, open, hit with the pump, and you can go either up and relax, or you can go here and down, slide down. So with the movement, let's go your side. So we're gonna go to the right. 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, relax, 6, 7, or bring it down, 2, 3, 4, relax, 6, 7, you can go 1 and 1, and 1 and 1. For the hips, remember, you can play around and then you can add the styling. It's gonna be beautiful. So now, for the hands, if you go from the salsa part, right, let's say I'm here, now I bring it back, and when I'm going side, here, I'm going side of my body, making sure I'm not like this, opening my fingers, using the whole part to go down here slowly to bring to the neutral position. So right here, one more time, and down, and now with the step, bachata step, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and jazz hands, 7, 8. Now make sure you play around with it, right? Play around, use all the styling to make yourself shine like a queen. Arm movements, ballet. We use this a lot as well in salsa, in bachata. Let's talk about this, yes? So your ballet position, you're gonna go take a look, create a nice form as in big circle or oval, right? So making sure it's not here, it's not all the way there, but very comfortable. Take a look, yes, your belly button a little bit lower. So now, make sure your arms not like this, actually your hands not like that, or not broken wrist like this, but right here. Think if you drop water, right? And if the water runs, it needs to go all the way down until here to the floor. This is very important. That's why you cannot do this. Now from here, we're just gonna bring it up. Now when you're up, it's gonna be a little bit up front. Not too much in the back, a little bit up front. Now from here, you're gonna go open. From here, bring it down. Again, up, open, and again, up and open. If you ask, when do I use this? Let's say I'm posing right here, or I'm dancing with my partner. Let's say it's bachata. He gives me an opportunity to open up. I'm gonna use my ballet hand, right? Or right here. Or you go from salsa arms to open up to use your ballet position for the hands, for the arms. So again, if you practice from here, up, side, And you can also go one and then bring another one to the side. You go from here up to go here, close down, down. Practice going from your salsa hands to your ballet hands, right? From my salsa to ballet. From my salsa to switching to ballet. This is how you can play with your arm styling, hand styling for lady styling. Styling with music.
Estás sola y que nadie te ve como yo. Dime que no pasan las horas, estamos los dos. Y te juro que si conmigo te vas, que con un beso vas a despertar. Y si te enamoras, te juro, me enamoro. Dime que estás sola y que nadie te ve como yo. Dime que no pasan las horas, estamos los dos. Y te juro que si conmigo te vas, que con un beso vas a despertar. Si te enamoras,
One by one.
me enamoro.
Now, salsa, ballet. Cross, out. Salsa lady styling, arms for one arm. So whenever you dance with the partner or you by yourself and you want to use only one hand, right, to style, right or left, here we go. Let's talk about this. Yeah, so we're gonna go elbow first. So let's see if I want to do this, right? And then I want to bring down. I'm gonna go with the chest first. Chest, elbow, front. Now, you won't see my hand. It's gonna be behind right here. But you see how I'm ready? I'm ready to style. I'm opening my fingers all the way. Now, when I'm on the top, right here, I want to go, we call it broken wrist. Yeah, so I want to press down. Now, from here, the way you go out, it can be a lot of different ways. But now, right here, I want to go and touch my ear with the middle finger. I want to go right here. Now, see it in the back? I'm gonna bring it across to go down across my body and bring it down here. So one more time, I want to go front, opening my chest all the way out. Now you see how I'm slightly to the side instead of here, slightly to the side. Now back and all the way down. Now make sure whenever you use your arm styling, it is never just the arms. It is always gonna be with your upper part into open and down. For the left hand, the same thing, all the way here and open, bring towards the ear, never cheat, and don't do this, that does not look nice, and down here, one more time, and up and down here. Now you can work with two, both arms, going open, behind, you want to touch the elbows here, bringing it down. So take a look one more time. From the back, you're going to go all the way, open, bring it back, touch the elbows, and bring it down. One more time. And now in the back, and bring it down. Making sure you always fulfill your movement, right? So you always finish right here. Never do this. Finish and stretch your body. It will always look nice. Use your chin, show your beautiful neck. One more styling for the hands I want to give you. Fingers together, Afro styling, right? So now, again, bachata or salsa. We're going to use the bachata step so you can put it together. I want to make sure my fingers are all together, right here. And imagine that you want to hit the drum, hit the drum, hit the drum, right? So now, for this one, if I go in the basic and my partner goes open up, and I want to change my styling. So I can make it think like I'm pushing something, right? So push to the side. From here, you can go back. Now, from here, you can go across the hip, so down the leg. So take a look again. I'm gonna go all the way across to push out. Now when I go across, I'm actually using my middle finger right here across my body to push out. Now as I come back, again, don't come back like this, but use your shoulder, elbow to come down right here. So one more time, and out and down. So it's gonna look like a little wave, yeah? So if I go here, I prep, I open, I come back, and I'm ready for my partner, right? So if you go from a side, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, or it depends how many steps. Right there, if it's in place, if you're walking, same thing for another hand down here, or you can go both hands to change, to change, to change. Come down here for your jazz hands. This is how you play with the styling, going into different parts. Ba, right, and left, or bring this and two together. Go down here, always the jazz hands. Good? Arm and afro.
Todo se fue en un momento y dejé de existir. Como perdido en el tiempo y gracias a ti volví a encontrar. Me volvió la voz para cantar, lo sé.
With the basics. And slow. Bring down. A little faster. Go. One and one. Or down and up. And down and up. For the upper. Here. Bring it back. Slide down. Again. Just again. 5, 6, 7, 8. All of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. You can bring it back into jazz. And 1, 3, 5. Switch. 1, 3, 5. Switch. Here. Relax. Again. Both.